Lesson 8. Today we're going to show you how to use the SumIF and CountIF option in Excel. We have some sample data here for us to work with. The SumIF function is going to allow you to sum the values in a range that meet a criteria that you specify. So for our example, we want to answer the question on how many apples have we sold? So we're going to use our column B, which is our products, and our column C, which is our quantities sold. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and press our equal sign and type out our function SumIF. And the first option is the range. The range is essentially going to be the range that you want to select and for it to look for the word or the criteria. The criteria is where you put your quotation mark. I'm going to select apple for our example here. As you can see, I spelt it exactly how it's spelt here in my selection. You need to make sure that it matches exactly, otherwise it will not find it for you. And then the next question is, what range do you want it to sum up when it does actually find the word apple? For me, I want it to sum up column C, which is my quantity sold, and then I'm going to close the parentheses. And it's showing me 10, which is correct, right? Because we have apple in C2, and then we have apple again here in C6. So if I sum that up, that's 10. Now, the next question I want to answer is how many times did I sell apples? Not necessarily quantities sold, but pretty much how many times is the word apple showing up in this column? That's going to be our CountIF function. So I'm going to open our parentheses after I type in CountIF, and this one's going to be a little bit more simple. All you have to do is select the range for it to look for, which again, in this case is going to be column B, and then our criteria, apple, again, spelled the exact same way in quotation marks, and then we're going to close the parentheses. And there we go. That gives us our 2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys again what that formula looks like, just for you guys to use as a reference.